Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm hoping you all are having a wonderful day and that you're having a good week and everything. It is so hot here that I went out walking. It was hot. So I came back in, needed a nap, had to leave and go to the doctor's office. It was hot over there. Their air conditioner wasn't working. So I'm like, oh no, this is horrible, horrible. So I came back home, thought about working in my journal a little bit. And so here I am after a long day, ready to do Junk Journal July 2025, prompt number 6, Folio. Now, I'm not going to keep you guys long because in my stash, I had a little folio that I made. So I'm not going to be able to keep you long. I'm just thinking about what I wanted to do. And so I had this paper. You know how we all go, I had this paper. Of course we had this paper. Name paper we don't have. We have all kinds of paper. Sometimes the decision of what to use gets to us because we got too much paper. Sometimes we don't even know what to use. We're like, oh my goodness, what? It takes like, I don't know about you, but tell me in the comments that when you're making something, does it take you more time to select the paper that you want to use than it actually takes to put the whole project together? I know it does for me because I sat on the floor there for a good half hour or so, flipping through things, trying to figure out what I wanted to do. What I knew I wanted to do was I wanted this flowered paper. After I got it together, I wanted this flowered paper and I wanted these musical notes just to kind of center it off in there. Kind of center it off. Then that paper is pretty. I love a good flowered paper. And so what I had in my stash was this folio that I had made a little piece back. Now this folio, just so you know, if I can find it, is made from this KS Craft 4x6 folio maker. Now this thing comes with all this. There's another set of stuff in there. So if you see this KS Craft 4x6 folio maker, this has everything in it. Everything. It comes with this. It comes with the spine thing that you can make in it. It comes with flaps. You can do a lot of things with this. And so when I saw it, I was like, I'm going to have to get that. I'm going to have that. And so I picked it up for myself and added it to my stash as if I don't have folio makers. But this one, I love this one. So I've been playing with it and everything like that. And we got all kinds of things in our stash that we just play with and go, okay, we got that, we can do that, it can do that. Can I, you kind of want to sing that song, can I do this, can I do that, and whatever. So you get all this going. And I'm going to put some glue on the back here because I think I want to put this down here. But I want this string to hold it in, to hold it so I could tie it. Like that. I should have covered that up. That's a little distracting. Let me see. I'll put this right. This is a little distracting. I don't want to distract you I don't want you to be looking at the last one when I'm trying to do the new one. It's a little distracting. Let me clip this so I can, I don't distract you. I give some good lace to look at. So I got this right here. Now, I want to open it up. Also in my stash, I had this. Because in my journals, I love a good writing spot. Because I'm always thinking of something to write, And so what I've been thinking is there's this poem by Where's the poem? The poem's by Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes was one of my favorite poets from the Harlem Renaissance, and some good stuff, just good poetry. And he has a poem called it's called Dream Variations. And I want to figure out what I could do to incorporate that poem into this journal. How do I incorporate that poem into this journal? So what I want to do, so this is going to tie up like that. I don't think I got it going right, but I want to tie this down. So the way I want it to go is I want it to tie down, and I'll put a bow, so I'll put a bow there, and I put that there. I think it looks good. I sometimes think I should have just covered that whole background. Like I should have just covered that whole background like that and have the flowers all over it. I think I'll do that though, because I kind of want the flower. So I thought I wanted to leave out that music note, but I think I want the flower though. I think I want the flowers. And that has that little cutout piece, but I'm not going to worry about it because this is like my variation of a junk journal and all the stuff that I want to put in it. So I know sometimes mine don't look like mine's a kind of eclectic journal. It has all kinds of stuff in it. So this is Folio. This is Folio. So the folio is going to have a tie. It's going to open up, and there it is. Spots to write. So I have completed prompt number 6, Folio. Now I'm going to get working on these now. So I'm going to try to do 2 at a time to figure if I can finally, get moving on this. So now that I have no other appointments or anything or something that's going to take me away from what I'm doing, I like that ribbon. I'm going to try to keep, get two or so done at a time. So next one is paint. Now paint, I may be able to get this poem in here. This is the poem I'm trying to get in it. And it's just Dream Variations. To fling my arms wide in some place in the sun, to whirl and dance till the white day is done. The rest that cool evening beneath the tall tree, when night comes on gently, dark like me. This is my dream, to fling my arms wide in the face of the sun, dance, whirl, whirl, till the quick day is done. Rest that pale evening, a tall, slim tree. Night comes on tenderly, black like me. I gotta use this into something. That's one of my favorite poems in the whole world. And what it's trying to tell you is that never stop dreaming. Never stop pursuing something that's important to you. No matter what everybody else around you says, pursue what you want to do. Take that time out and figure out what makes you happy and do that. Because in these times and the way things are going, you got to stop for a minute and figure out what makes you happy. Sometimes if you got kids and the kids go to bed, get that favorite book out and sit down and read. If it's not a whole hour, give yourself a half hour of good reading. If you like coloring, get that coloring book out and color. If the kids are with you, get coloring books for the kid and go, this is the coloring hour. Or if you like to write in a journal. If you like to say a little prayer, say a prayer. If you like to talk to friends, make up that time to talk to friends, but find that time. Find that special thing for yourself. Find what makes you happy. I don't want to be preachy, but find what makes you happy. Also, self-care is not selfish. I'll see you all in the next video when I work on prompt number 7, paint. Goodbye, y'all. See you all in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what it is. Give me some comments down in the comments section. If you can tell me what you like to do that makes you happy, or what you're thinking of doing that's making you happy, let's get a little conversation going. And plus, your thumbs up and your comments helps the algorithm. And also press that button if you're not a subscriber. Bye now.